Good morning to all. My name is Girish. I read in class 9th. As we all know that we have gathered here on the very special occasion of our nation called as Republic Day of India. I would like to narrate a Republic Day speech in front of you. First of all, I would like to say a lot of thanks to my teachers as just because of them I have got such a wonderful opportunity in my school to come on this stage and speak something about my beloved country on its great occasion of Republic Day. India is a self-governing country since 15th of August 1947. India got independence from the British rule on 15th of August in 1947, which we celebrate as Independence Day. However, on 26th of January since 1950, we celebrate as Republic Day. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th of January in 1950. So we celebrate this day as the Republic Day every year. This year in 2025, we are celebrating 76th Republic Day of India. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only public has right to elect their representatives as political leader to lead the country in right direction. So India is a republic country where public elect its leader as a president, prime minister, etc. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot to the Poon Swaraj in India. They did so that their future generations may live without struggle and lead country ahead. The name of our great Indian leaders and freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri, etc. They fought continuously against the British rule to make India a free country. We can never forget their sacrifices towards our country. We should remember them on such great occasions and salute them. It has become possible just because of them that we can think from our own mind and live freely in our nation without anyone's force. Our freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to establish this republic. This republic was not achieved easily. Our republic is built on the foundation of hundreds of years of struggle and thousands of sacrifices. It is the responsibility of all of us Indians to protect the republic and make our important contribution to the development of the country. Namaskar to everyone. Thank Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.